Just if audiences don't know this, they will actually hear 3 singers sing opera arias.
Yeah.
One of them doesn't get a lot out before Callas begins working with her, but the tenor and the second soprano do actually sing full arias.
Yeah.
Some of them chunks over and over and over, like would really happen in a class. And
It's oftentimes they are singing the songs she was famous for singing, the arias she's famous for singing, particularly the Somnambula and
Lady Macbeth.
And Lady Macbeth too, right? Exactly. It's worse than an audition, and an audition is terrifying
That's
as
right.
it is. But you're heightening everything by it's with Callas, and then it's also in front of all your fellow students, which are also watching.
And I think the play gives insight into that part of life, the young singer phase, the young art student phase of life, when you have all the talent and all the ambition, but are looking to prove yourself and find your foothold in the world.
Right.
And this play captures that very beautifully as well.